Okay, this is actually the second garage sale of the morning I stopped at. The first one, it just didn't have enough stuff to make it worthwhile. This one's about the same size, but I thought, you know what? Let me videotape it. Oh, this is something that somebody asked me for. Oh, it's a Samsung. Is it a Zoom? $3. It's interesting. I should have brought a whole bunch of penny rolls with me. Terrible. Wow. It's scratched a little bit though. Yeah. Terrible. Alright. I can't fall in love with everything. That's the darn thing. I can't fall in love with everything. That's the word of the wise. You got some beautiful bags here. I love them.
Yeah, they're brand new.
Wow.
Brand spanking new.
I can see. Quality. Nice.
For like a third of the price.
Oh, wow. Nice bag.
All the tools work, but he doesn't have any batteries to prove it.
Yeah, I hear you.
So.
Okay. That's it. I had to film this one because this community is a letdown. This is a hello.
Morning.
This community has gone from a reliable, like at least 20 or 30 garage sales, to a community that only has like 6 garage sales, and that's what happens when a community ages like that. The older the average community member is, the person living in a community, then the less active they are. They don't have stuff. They don't buy it. They keep this old stuff, and when they do have a sale, nobody wants to buy it anyway because it's all recyclables. They should throw it in the garbage. So this person here, this person sells plants all the time. They always have the garage sale open, and they're open at 7 o'clock in the morning, which is what they should be open at. But so I'm videotaping the sale just to show you that this community that has 250 homes in it, so far there's only 4 garage sales that were open. 4. And of the 4 garage sales, I only was able to video, 1? Unbelievable. And this is not even this one does count for 4. Or one of the 4. Unbelievable. So, see, the prices here are not cheap, but looking for Desert Delight nectarines. Morning. I'm looking for Desert Delight nectarine tree. No, okay. No, I didn't think so. I wasn't going to videotape this sale, but I saw this Star Trek collection. It went $15 though. I don't know. A lot of DVDs, but you see, you really can't see the DVDs. You have to look. I don't really see anything here. Some interesting movies, but just looking for those 2. Back to the Future is good, but I don't see that. Some movies you can watch over and over. Some movies, some of the actors have become political. It ruins a movie. Actors should stay neutral and just stick to making movies. And when the music starts, they want to see the monkey dance. They don't want to hear the monkey talk. These Blu-rays are all facing the wrong way. There's a lot of clothes here. Clothes and pillows and stuffed animals. Morning. Any refrigerators for sale?
No,
Okay. Had to ask.
you never know.
I know.
Not today.
That's it. I love your jewelry. It's nice. Get over here. Ooh, a doorbell?
Yes, old-fashioned door.
Wow. I love it. Wish I had a house to put that on.
Yeah, me too. Those are bullets because there's a gun to go with it.
Oh, yeah? What kind of gun?
I don't know, ask him.
243. This is a cool piece.
You reckon? Oh, 243? So it's a bolt action?
Yep, with a scope.
How much is that?
350 with 5 boxes of ammo.
Can I take a look at it?
Sure.
Okay. Just take a look at it. That's it. Alright, now this is the first what I call sizable garage sale of the day. I almost bailed on this sale too because they didn't have a sign. Like when you have a sign off of the main road, you should have another sign like within 50 yards. And I had to drive like 300 yards. And I was just driving on faith. And I was bailed, but luckily I saw another sign. So anyway, I've been to this sale before, and they always charge high prices for everything. So I'm probably not gonna buy anything. It's a nice hand truck, but they probably want some. Yeah, it's rusting tires and everything. Morning. So they're already looking at me. Like, see, they don't price anything, so you're gonna get sticker shock if you try to buy something. This is a nice little vice grip. I got the 2 bigger ones, but see, it's a nice little angle grinder, but what's that? Come on. It's a nice angle grinder too. This is a good tool. I have a lot of these, but I just can never buy enough of them. But there's no prices, so see, the seller is trying to do hard sells here. It's not a good sign. So, yeah, I mean, a garage sale like this, they should be able to make this cutie cat here. Relaxing. They should be able to make. Looking at all the stuff they got for sale, yeah, $1,000. But they're going to be making a lot of people unhappy. Seller should have a smile on his face, and this guy's got a big. I mean, his face is pruned up. He's a buffer. I like that. No prices though, so they're gonna. The prices, he'll gauge you. He'll look you over. He'll see how much he thinks you can spend for it. And the price changes for every customer that he stares at. I hate that. See, they're emptying out the house. That house is like. Actually, no, the house has a lot of stuff inside of it. I was gonna say. The C word, but bricks. Just clothing. That's it. Alright, so this garage sale. Parking actually is hard here unless you want to park like in a ditch. So I had to park about almost 100 feet away from me. Maybe more, 200 feet. So this is interesting. Ladder jacks. Morning. Ceiling fans. Oh man, I'm so hungry I could buy those Tic Tacs. Those 10-year-old Tic Tacs. Alright, let's see. I know I'm thinking about food all morning long. You're terrible. I didn't eat anything, and the garage sales have been just, I mean, literally horrible this morning. I haven't bought anything, to tell you the truth. Except for that one sale that had that gun that I went to earlier. It was actually a pretty nice one. Didn't show it on camera, but I think the guy still wants too much for it. Yeah, I made a low ball him. So you got interesting stuff here. Fort Myers Brewing Co. Where? This is interesting. This is like an iPad type of tablet that they use for service riders, like an automobile service shop. It's just a lot of like QS cooler. A lot of like antiques and junk. More junk than antiques.
Are they going to paint white or what color are you going? I'm going to put, you know, those hunter green shutters? Put those on the outside. They'll just be white and green like those.
Hello.
Hi.
Any refrigerators for sale?
Just the little bitty one. Bruno, I plugged it in this morning just to make sure it worked. Used to be in my office at work. You're being good, Bruno.
Would you take $1 for this? Sure.
Oh, I thought you were gonna take them both.
I'll take both. No,
And that's about it. We're back here at this, whatever this thing is. This is like some kind of a concrete machine. Plate compactor. They want $3,000 for it. I mean, look at this. $3,000. Wow. My car smells like it's leaking antifreeze. Or maybe I better check it.
Okay.
Too many shirts here. No. Full sleeve, yeah. I assume it's small. Alright. Ice machine. Morning.
Just 2 grandbabies here.
Some orders, yeah.
Time to get. They're too big for it now. It's time for them to go.
Any lawnmowers for sale?
Any what?
Any lawnmowers?
No.
Okay. That's it. My first bonus sale of the day, but hello. That's interesting. How much is your dash cam? Does it work?
Dash cam?
It's just looks like a dash cam.
$30.
30. That's interesting.
Eso está caro, ¿va?
Sí.
Es para cuando echas de reversa, ¿no?
Sí.
¿Sí
See
funciona?
how it's sized up.
Me imagino que sí, eso todo es de
Came
mi
up with
mamá.
the price.
No sé. Me imagino que sí que funciona.
Seems like nothing's priced.
¿Ya pagaste tu mano?
It's nice. $30. Morning. Got beautiful stuff for sale. I like it.
How's your morning?
So far, it's good. It's a beautiful morning out. That's it. So this sale, it was on my route, but they didn't have any street signs up. It's not too bad. $5. Except there's no curator here. I mean, the prices are right. But there's nobody here. Yeah. That's it. It's interesting. This light set. Let's see. Let's see how it looks. It's really cheap. See, I like the light sets that you can take and you can make them into fixed ground lighting, but those you can't make into fixed ground lighting. Any video game systems for sale?
No video game system.
Okay.
It's like all the specs that were on it.
That's what he was looking for.
You know what you're gonna be asking on?
Mama? I bought it for 18, but I'll probably let it go for like 500.
Mommy.
Yeah, it works. The only thing that needs
Can I tell you
new
something? I really
RAM
jumped out of
cards. I
this
mean, it
crib.
still works, but the
Really
RAM is
jumped out
not
of this
producing as high as it needs to.
Like if you're like a speeding game.
Mommy,
it's faster to do.
That's it. I was just looking at this dryer. It's a nice old school dryer. It's made real well. Alright, so this is a Husqvarna. Again, $20. Maybe won't sell for that price. I can tell you right now. Nothing's marked, so prices are probably, from my experience, are going to be high. It's a nice crab trap, though. It's the average Joe price, but his is nicer than mine. He's got rust where mine doesn't, and I've got rust on mine where he doesn't. It's got some nice wood. Got some nice bamboo, too. Some sawhorses, nice. There's tools you can't beat. This is the best garage sale out there this morning so far. These are motorcycles. That's awesome. Beach baby. Life's a beach. I should go to the beach today. It's awesome out. Get some rock and pro fertilizer. What is this? Is this fertilizer?
Fertilizer.
How much is that?
Fertilizer is 20.
20? Are you selling more stuff in the garage?
The most, yes.
Are you selling your washing machine?
Yes.
How much is that?
250.
250?
It's almost new.
Oh, wow. Okay.
With rib sheets.
$100 was 199. It's tough. Put it in to cool down.
Yeah, I bet. There's that wash machine. Looks just like the whatchamacallit? The Samsung one. So it's kind of high price. A zebra. Guess it's zebra.
Morning.
Morning. Let's get bolts. He's got everything. I do need some bolts for door projects I'm doing later on. So he's got excellent. Right. These drywall screws. I mean, look at that. It's tempting. I don't have a drywall project coming up, but these prices are going to be high. That's for sure. But look at this. It's ceiling drywall holders. See this, he's a jack of all trades here. So that's it. Clock, some mirrors.
No, it's a bed frame. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Interesting. I do need a nice one, but not that one. Chairs, I'll be doing chairs long, but
I'm starting to find out who the musicians are.
Have any questions, holler, I'll get
There's
this
this one guy.
it's a nice wagon.
Jam. He's actually.
$40 for it. This is the exact same wagon I have. Mine's in black, but this is in excellent condition where mine is ready to be tossed into the river. See, this issue is interesting, but I need gasoline powered one. I need a torque.
I do know what it is.
Interesting. Just a lot of recyclable stuff over there. I have this at home. Interesting. Interesting. Prices are right over here. Some carpet. Staple the carpet in. It's got some weird stuff. I mean, it's got a two-way radio and just clothes. Dog muzzle. It's interesting. Just all this stuff. That's it. Hello. It's interesting. These wet dries are cool. This painting stuff is cool, but I have a lot of it. Do you have any video game systems for sale? Any video game systems for sale? No. No. Okay.
Only CD and player.
Ah. Is anything in the garage for sale?
No.
No. Okay.
Oh, only door. 2 doors.
Oh, the 2 doors.
Yeah.
Are they steel doors? Are they metal?
That's brand new.
Yeah.
Can you see?
How much are they?
$50 each.
Let me take a look. Okay, wood. Oh, nice. All right, let me think about it. Need metal doors, not wooden, but still interesting. They're sub quality, $50 each. It's not very good, but it's not for me. So that's interesting. It's inner tube, motorcycle inner tube. There's a lot of cool stuff here. So the guy who was kind of racing me from garage sale to garage sale, now he's ahead of me. He bolted. And I can tell by the stuff that he's buying, we're in competition for the same stuff. And he must know this garage sale because he bolted quick. That was it. Okay, there was like a whole bunch of like little tiny garage sales that I didn't video because they were just way too small. Passed up on a free lawnmower too. This one's pretty small too, but thought I would videotape it. I got tons of this stuff. Have to be. Yeah, caulk tool remover. Yeah. This is actually a cool thing. Maybe ask him how much that is. I could use big bolts like this, but I need bolts that go to a point.
Yep.
Something like that, but bigger.
I'm gonna take it off the leg.
How much is this?
$1.
Of course, I had to say $1. It's a tool I use a lot of. Let's see if they'll go 50 cents.
Good morning.
Morning.
Lighter fluid. Always looking for some weird chemicals. This is
Good luck.
hand sanitizer.
That's 25 cents.
That's what it is. Would you take 50 cents on this?
Sure.
Okay, I'll take it with that. Wow. For a second there, I thought there was a TV inside there. I was like, oh my God, I better grab that.
Yeah, no, the TV's inside. It's already on a bracket.
Oh, good.
Yeah. I also have a deep freezer and a big canvas picture.
Oh yeah, big camera. How big is it?
It's big. I didn't want to bring it down.
How much is it?
50.
50. Okay, I'll think about it.
I'll let you look at it.
Okay. I know somebody who likes those type of things.
No, it's really
Okay. Alright, so. That's it. Alright, so we got some beanbag toss. We got this pressure washer with tools. It's nice. I have a little pressure washer. It's an electric one. The sad thing is I just got rid of the hose. I sold the hose for like, I don't know what it was, like $1. Now I need it. This is a nice towel saw. I like it, but it takes a while. I got this one.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello. See, nothing's priced, so they're so wow. Don't tell me. 2, 26. Yeah, I think I needed a 26 and a $19. I bought them already in the store. Of course I see them now. Of course I see them now for sale. Rubber air hose. Yeah, that's a nice thing. That is nice. This electrical stuff is good too. These bins are good. I'm just trying to think. See, they don't stack. They're what's called hard to stack. I don't know. They're interesting. There's not enough of them. Look at this. These are interesting. These are sprinkler system. I got one, of course. Oh, he's got 3 rain birds. Oh, wow. Now those ones look like the ones I have. So this is interesting. Yeah, he's got a saltwater system here. Saltwater and chlorinator. I really shouldn't have a saltwater and chlorinator. See, this is a saltwater system right here. It's an older one, but still. And there's the chlorinator. And because the chlorinator will affect. He has the chlorinator before the saltwater system. That's the worst design you could have. Now this is interesting. Ground lighting, because I kind of need it. Looks halfway decent too. No, the price is right. What are you gonna do? I don't know. I do need it. Let's see what this is. Another transformer. That's all it is, transformers. Oh, it's gotta be cheap.
Good morning, how are you? I'm good.
I hear German in the background. Normally when I go to a garage sale and I hear, it's sad, I hear German. That is German, I can tell. I took German in high school for 2 years and prices are extremely high. Yeah, that's it. Alright, this is interesting. It's a little beat up though. I can always use punts, but it's never my size. Let's see what we got here. The coating prices are pretty good. The glasses are pretty good. It's the end of the day. It's nice. I'm sure if they're going to sell next door. So maybe a little clothesline here. I like how they use clothespins to keep the clothes from sliding. It's just, there's a big sign on the top of Del Prado here for the sale. Looks like they sold out early. This is interesting. I'm gonna have a pair. Those gloves pretty much last forever. $6. Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's interesting. These are interesting cameras, but they're just they're made for just cameras. The flash. Old school. Spark plugs are interesting. It's Beanie Babies. Someone with a tenant car 96. A lot of old stuff. You really have to be a connoisseur of this. Alright, so I actually went shopping. I thought that the day was over, but then there were these two garage sales back to back. And not that I want to buy plants, but just goes to show you that today's a plant sale day. I even skipped one's plant sale.
I have a sign that says no photographs.
Oh, I'll leave that. I'm looking for a tree. You selling any tree? Yeah, I'm looking
We had a mango. Do we still have mango?
I'm looking for a Desert Delight nectarine. That's what I'm really looking
I
for.
don't think I have.
I think the only tree we really have is
Yeah, we don't
mango.
Don't have it.
Yeah. Is that a plantain or is that a different type of banana?
The banana plant?
Yeah.
Oh, this here? It's the little small ones.
Oh, okay.
This one.
How much is it?
You know, it's gonna take a couple years before you get them.
Yeah, yeah.
You gotta put them in the ground.
How much is your banana? Is this the only banana we have
I
here?
think so.
How much you want for that?
$2.
$2.
Oh, that's tempting. Okay, let me think about it. I'm just gonna walk over to this other sale.
Okay.
This garage sale looks like it's an all-clothes garage sale. So I see clothes and stuffed animals everywhere. So. And I do need clothes, but I don't really wear jeans, not in Florida. See, that's a shame. If I was living up north, I could use some work pants, but yeah. We're getting large sizes up here. T-shirts. See, I can use quality T-shirts, but again, there's no prices, so they're gonna size you up as soon as you buy something or try to buy something. And that's what really pisses me off. When you go to a garage sale, and they don't put prices on it. You go up there, then they say $10. You're like, oh my gosh. So all my clothes need upgrading, but that's the problem. They have all the like silk shirts that you don't want to buy. They have all the winter wear hung up nicely. You can easily look at. Yeah, all the women's clothes are hung up. But for men's, this is 34. Look all women's size, all women cut. Let's put it that way. But for my size, like all the golfing shirts you want to buy, but I don't want to buy golfing shirts. This one's not too bad. These are the cheap shirts, though. These are the ones that have. It's hard to say. I don't know how much these shirts are, though. How much are your clothes? Do you know how much?
I know the cheap ones are $3.
Oh.
I haven't seen one of these in a long time.
Sorry. How much is your clothing?
And now we're gonna count again.
Oh, is that guy?
You could start with her. What
Sorry.
she has.
Remember that?
$10, $10. How much is your clothes out here?
$3.
$3, okay. All right. And that answers that question. All right, recap. Today I spent 50 cents. And in such a rush to do the recap that I did it in front of Aldi's before I went home. All right, so today was just awful. There was that one gun at that one sale I saw, but I doubt he's going to bargain. And it was a free lawnmower I passed up. But other than that, hopefully better luck next weekend.